Hello, in front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 4G, and I'm gonna show you how to pair it with your phone. First, let's tap on the screen of our watch. Now we can select the language. To do it, swipe up and down to scroll through the list of languages, find the language you like to use, and tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select English United States. Here, let's scroll down and tap on I've read it. And now we need to download and install Wear OS app on our phone. So let's open the Google Play Store on our phone. Tap right here. Enter Wear OS. And tap search. Now let's tap on install to install the app. Now tap open to open the app. And in the app, let's tap on Start Setup. Here you can tap on I agree to continue. Now we can agree to send the diagnostic reports to Google if you want to. To do it, tap I agree. If you want to not agree and skip this step, tap on no thanks. I'm just gonna tap on I agree. Now wait until the app finds your watch. As you can see, it did. TicWatch Pro 4G right here, and tap on it. Then tap pair on your phone. Here we can copy Google accounts from our phone to our watch if you want to. To do it, you simply just enable or disable the account right here, which you want to copy, like that. You can also tap on skip button to skip this step and don't do anything. And I'm just gonna select my account and tap next. Then tap copy. If you have lock screen protection on your phone, you need to enter the PIN or use the fingerprint sensor. I'm just gonna use fingerprint sensor like this to confirm the action. Right here you can enable Wi-Fi. You can tap on connect to connect to network. You can also tap skip to skip this step, but let's connect to one, so let's tap connect. Now let's tap on next if you want to enable calls and messages, I believe. Yes, you can call and send messages from your watch if you want to. To enable it, tap on next. You can also skip this step to not enable it, basically leave it disabled. Well, we're gonna tap next and then allow some permissions like that. Here we can also enable the calendar. To do it, tap next if you want to enable it. If you don't, tap skip. And again, we need to allow some permissions. And now we can also enable the notifications. You can tap on allow to enable them or skip to keep them disabled. I'm gonna tap on allow and allow right here. Now let's tap next. And now we need to wait until the setup is complete. Okay, now let's tap done. And at this point, our watch is paired with our phone. You can also tap right here to download and install the MOBVOI app if you want to. So let's tap on get app, tap on install to install the MOBVOI app. Now let's tap open to open it. Here tap on start. We need to log in into MOBVOI account, so let's enter the email address. And then we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And let's tap on login. As you can see, our watch is automatically connected to the app. Here we can allow the permission for location if you want to. I'm gonna deny it. And in this app we can add devices. We can tap right here to pair new device and get feedback, or give feedback rather. Here we can tap on routine and we can create a routine for device, for example. We can tap on explore to, I believe, explore the community of MOBVOI, like forums, special offers, activities, and stuff like that. Here we have store, and we can check the newest offers from MOBVOI. And right here, the last page is account, and here we can log out, set up Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, send another feedback, and tap on about to check some privacy policies and terms of conditions. Okay, let's close this up. And that's how you pair this watch with your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.